alaikum and welcome to Ramadan Values Stories of Virtue. Today's episode shares an inspiring story about forgiveness and good character with the companion Suhail Ibn Amr radiallahu anhu. In the early days of Islam, Suhail Ibn Amr radiallahu anhu was one of the strongest opponents in Islam. He was a powerful orator who used his words against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Muslims. When the Prophet ﷺ conquered Mecca, he had the opportunity to take revenge on Suhail. However, he forgave him and said, whoever enters Abu Sufyan's house is safe, and whoever stays in their own house is safe. About Suhail, he said, no blame will be upon you today. Suhail was deeply moved by this forgiveness. He embraced Islam and became one of the loyal companions, using his oratory skills to defend and spread Islam. Allah says, so pardon them and overlook their misdeeds. Indeed, Allah loves the doers of good. This story teaches us that forgiveness and good character can transform hearts and bring people together for good. Ramadan Kareem, and see you tomorrow for another inspiring episode.